ஒவ்வொரு லேயரா போட போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து இந்த எல்லா ரவுட்டர்லயும் ஒரு ஐஜிபி ப்ரோட்டோகால் வித் ஓஎஸ்பி, அதாவது ஐபி அட்ரஸ் வித் ஐஜிபி ப்ரோட்டோகால். அதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். ஒவ்வொரு ரவுட்டர்லையும் ஒரு லூபேக் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் போட போகிறோம். உதாரணத்துக்கு ரவுட்டர் 5ல 5.5.5.5, ரவுட்டர் 8ல 8.8.8.8 இப்படி போட போகிறோம். இதை நான் நோட் பேட் வச்சு செய்கிறேன். ஸ்டெப் 1, ஐபி அட்ரஸிங் and IGP protocol. Step 2, MPLS. Step 3, layer 3 MPLS VPN. Step 4, PRF. Step 5, assigning customer facing interface to PRF, followed by IP address. Step 6, assigning IP address on the customer side. And enable routing protocol. Step 6, Step 7, on P router, configure VRF aware routing protocol to form adjacency with customer. Step 6, 7, 8, redistribute customer routes into VPN and VPN to customer. Step 9, verify. All right, this is what we need to do. Let me save this. We are going to do step by step. Okay. Now, Let us do the first step. First step is assigning IP address of the routers and IGP. See, when you assign IP address, do not assign it on the customer facing interface. Assigning IP address on the customer facing interface is step number 5 after you create VRF, not now. So I'm not doing anything on F00 and F01. Right, this is step number 1 on router 5. Wait. I can also do MPLS now itself. MPLS IP, MPLS IP. Another one, I want to give a range for MPLS to generate label. So the command is MPLS label range. Wait, let me show you the proper one. MPLS label range. Yes, this is the command. On router 5, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give range starting from 500 to 599. So router 5 should not use any other label for the networks that it has got. Okay, so it's not mandatory command, optional. So this is going to go on router 5. It is not supported on loopback interface. Correct. On loopback interface, we cannot run enable MPLS. Okay, so perfect. Then now for router 6, the range is going to be 6 here and 6 here. The loopback interface is going to have 6.6.6.6, and F00 is going to have 56.6. F01 will have 67.6. Router 6 configuration is ready. So we are doing both step 1 and step 2 together. Step 1 and 2 on router 7. 7. F00 will have 67, no, 67, correct. Dot 7. And F01 is going to have 78.7. This is on router 7. So we got one last router to configure, which is 8. We don't have F00. Sorry, that's yesterday's video. So we don't have F00. I delete this. F0, F1/0 is 78.8. This goes on router 8. Alright, over. Now I should be pinging between R5 and R8. Ping 5.5.5.5 is the source of 8.8.8.8. I can ping. And when I trace route, I should see labels. See, router 7 has given 7.1. Router 6 has given 600. And PHP has happened. That's why there is no label when it is sent to 5. So this proves that there is MPLS. And from 5, I want to do trace route to 8.8.8.8. Source 5.5.5.5. And that happens. Now what is next is BGP. We are going to form IBGP between router 5 and router 8. Am I right? Is that the step? Step 3, IBGP between PEs and layer 3 MPLS VPN. So this is what I'm going to do now. Step 3. On router 5, let's say the BGP autonomous system that we want to have is $65,000 neighbor 8.8.8.8 remote AS 65,000 neighbor 8.8.8.8 update source loopback 0. This is to form IBGP. Let's do that on the other side also. Router BGP 6500 neighbor 5.5.5.5 remote AS 6500 neighbor 5.5.5.5 update source loopback 0. We are expecting an IBGP neighbor. It has come. The neighbor has come. What next is we are going to form VPN. The command is address family VPN v4. See, for VPN the command will be VPN v4. For VRF it will start with same command address family, but it will say address family IPv4 VRF. Okay, so here address family VPN v4 unicast. The neighbor 5.5.5.5, which we already have neighbor 5.5.5.5, we are activating VPN for that neighbor. Likewise, go to router 8. Sorry, go to router 5. address family IPv4, VPN v4, unicast, neighbor 8.8.8.8, activate. We are expecting a neighbor now, a VPN neighbor. See, it is session 2, means it's a second session, meaning VPN. How do we verify? Show IPBGP summary will show you normal IBGP. Normal IBGP is there for last 1 minute and 37 seconds. Show BGP, VPN, V4, unicast, all summary will show you the VPN just came. VPN, just we enable VPN. So there are two BGP sessions. One is the normal IBGP, the other one is the VPN. VPN is also ready. What is next? Configuring VRF. Yeah. Are you all ready for VRF? See, we have two customers. I'm going to create VRF, IP VRF forwarding. Sorry, IP VRF name, give a name, cust A. Route distinguisher. For customer A, I would like to give 1:1. Route target. The routes that are coming from customer A1, I want to export with the target value 1:1. See, again, I'm telling you, this 1:1 and this 1:1 doesn't need to match. Not necessary to match. I'm just matching because it's the first lab that you are doing. I want you to keep it simple. Likewise, if any route is exported on router 8 for this customer, there also it will be exported using 1:1. So here I want to use it as an import, which means on router 8 I'm going to export as 1:1. For customer A2, the routes coming from customer A2 will be exported using 1:1. Next, IP VRF cust B. Route distinguisher I'm going to give 2:2. I'm going to say route target 22:22. What does this mean? I did not say import or export. I did not say import or export. When you don't say import or export, this 22:22 will become for both import and export. Where can we verify? Go to running configuration and see. You see, you did not say there is export and import for customer B. We simply said route target 22:22. When you don't say import or export, the 22:22 will be taken for both import and export. So if you want, you can copy the same thing to router 8, or you may use different names and different route target, route distinguisher on the other side. It is your wish, but the route target should match. What I want you to do is, it's the first lab, just simply copy and paste this on router 8 also. On router 8 also we have pasted the same. So we got two VRFs created. Verify, show IP VRF. You see there is two VRF, one called customer A, another called customer B, with route distinguisher. But interface is still not assigned. We have not assigned the customer interface to the VRF. We also created We also configured route target. Let us verify route target. Show IPVRF detail. This is going to show you the route targets. This is for customer B and for customer A. This command route distribution. And this is the command that to see both route distribution and route target. Again, even here it shows that there is no interface. There is no interface. On router 8, we are going to give this F00 to customer AVRF. See, show IP VRF, there is no interface. I'm going to say interface F0/0, IP VRF forwarding the VRF name. This is how we allocate this port to the VRF. This is how we assign the port to the VRF. Next. Interface F0/1, IPVRF forwarding customer B. Now let's go and verify show IPVRF. See, we have allocated those interfaces correctly. You can also see this by typing detail command. You see there is interface for customer B called F01, and there is interface called F00 for customer A. What is next? Next is we have to bring those interfaces up. These interfaces are down. As a result, if you type the routing table, you see the customer A routing table, show IP route VRF cust A. So there is a routing table called cust A, but there is no IP address, no route. Likewise, for customer B, also there is no route or no IP address. If you don't put any VRF, then it will show you the global routing table as usual. If you want to see all the routing tables, then you need to say show IP route star. No, VRF star. This will show you the default routing table first. This is the default routing table. Spacebar, customer A routing table. Spacebar, customer B routing table. A and B routing table has got no routes. The reason is we have not allocated, so we have allocated interface, but the interface is down. You see show IP interface brief. You don't have those interfaces F00 and F01 up, not up. Let's go on to that. See, wake up. You have to first assign the interface to the VRF, and then only you should apply the IP address. Applying IP address is after assigning the interface to the VRF. Interface F00, IP address which is already allocated to VRF. I'm just giving IP address 83.83.83.8. 255.255.255. No shutdown. And interface F0/1, IP address is 84. That's it. Now if you go, you will see routing tables. Let us type the same command which we typed earlier. Show IP route VRF star. Star means all VRF table. So this is the default VRF, which is default routing table. Spacebar. Customer A routing table has got this. If you compare the picture behind, customer A is F00, no? See F00. Only F00 is in customer A routing table. Customer B routing table, F0/1. Yeah? Alright. So we got 3 routing tables in this router. Next. Let us go to router 5 and do the same. Router 5, we just created VRF. We have not allocated any interface. So I'm going to say no shed IP VRF forwarding cust A IP address 15.15.15.5 interface F0/1 IP VRF forwarding cust B IP address is 25.25.25.5. Now you will also see 3 routing table in this router. Show IP route VRF star. This is the global routing table. This is customer A routing table. A's routing table. And this is customer B's routing table. So what we have achieved so far, what we have done so far is we have finished even this, even this, even this. 5 steps we have finished. 6th step, go to all the customer 4 routers, assign IP address, enable a routing protocol, form CEPE relationship is step 7. CEPE relationship. Step 9 is take the customer out, give it to the VPN, and back from VPN to the customer, then verify. I do not really want to rush. Up to here, you first need to do. Everyone needs to do this lab. So I don't want to move further. We will do this remaining stuff. It's easy stuff. What is left balance is easy. But it's not that easy. Because we are doing step by step, because we are going to continue only after you do this much what I have done with all this verification. It is going to be easy by Tuesday next week. Yeah. By Monday I'll be finishing the balance and you will continue wherever you left, and Tuesday you will find easy. Else I'll finish now, but you will not be really comfortable. So we stop.